Donald Trump was found guilty of falsifying business records as part of a conspiracy to suppress damaging information ahead of his 2016 election. Convicted during this presidential campaign, the ruling raises questions as to how Trump will continue that campaign if he's sent to prison. Former federal prosecutor Stephen Cohen does not expect Trump will be incarcerated soon.
There will be intense post-trial motions, and then there will be an appeal. And that appeal will take months, if not more than a year. So I think much of this will feed the political drama more than it will feed the story, at least initially, of Donald Trump's fate as a consequence of this conviction.
Trump's sentencing is set for July 11th. Legal experts say the length of any prison term would likely be far less than the charge's 20-year maximum.
Given his age, given his lack of criminal history, and given that the result here it really speaks for itself, that he's actually not looking at a lot of punishment, very significant punishment.
Others point to the prison time already served by Trump's former personal attorney, Michael Cohen, as precedent for Trump's sentencing.
It's very rare for an underling in a conspiracy to get jail time and the kingpin not. Donald Trump was at the top of this criminal conspiracy, and Michael Cohen did some serious jail time. He spent months. So there is some precedent for a judge sentencing Mr. Trump to jail.
Alternatives to prison include probation, house arrest, and fines. But it's most likely that any sentence won't be carried out until after the appeals process, which is liable to go past Election Day in November. Whatever sentence materializes next month, it'll inform sentencing for the 3 criminal cases that are still pending against Trump.
The fact of this conviction here, if it's still on the books, would result in a potential higher prison sentence in those future cases. So it does have a consequence because he will now, unlike a week ago, have a criminal record, and criminal records are taken into account in meting out punishment.
Of the other federal and state charges Trump is facing, the Florida trial for those involving mishandling of classified documents is further delayed. Trinh, VOA News, New York.